ETH cost could end the exchange for 2023 with a possible high of $1,866.79. Ethereum's Shanghai refreshed is booked for first 50% of 2023. Ethereum cost with a potential flood could go as high as $26,575.21 toward the finish of 2030. Ethereum keeps on holding its crown as the biggest altcoin. The ETH value keeps on excess in the discussions of the crypto market, notwithstanding the tepid reaction to the consolidation. While pundits have been vocal about ETH's transient cost projections, maximalists keep on support the biggest altcoin. Ethereum has the biggest market capitalization following the head ever the Bitcoin. Will Ethereum value arise to walk to new highs whenever sooner? Or then again will ETH lose its crown to other potential cryptographic forms of money like Polkadot's cost? The impending update on Ethereum Shanghai hard fork, which is booked for 2023, may flood the cost of the coin to more prominent levels. This review will get every one of your inquiries arranged. Lock in as we disentangle reasonable Ethereum cost expectation 2023-2025 and the years to come. After Bitcoin, Ethereum has the most noteworthy worth in today's market. It has forever been on the watch rundown of each crypto head and financial backers. Bitcoin cost expectation and Ethereum cost forecast has forever been a worry as it assumes a significant part in this industry. ETH is viewed as the biggest altcoin ever. In Ethereum market exchange are made and worth billions every day, and the interest is just expanding. Will Ethereum go up? Economic situations are extremely unpredictable at this point. Its central goal is to make a world a superior spot for every single living being, and is advancing on it many days. Ethereum cost expectation for 2023 could go from $1,522.72 to $1,866.79 for the year. What is Ethereum? ETH. Ethereum is a decentralized open-source blockchain, underlining shrewd agreement usefulness. Ether is the local digital currency made by Ethereum diggers as a profit for estimations led to safeguard the blockchain. The organization began to work on 30 July 2015. As of then, 72 million coins were printed. This reports for around 65% of the all-out circling supply in April 2020. The convention deals with the confirmation of work POW agreement component and will progress the POS instrument. This was finished in mid of 2022. ETH coin value forecast 2023. Ethereum engineers as of late closed a gathering where they examined on expected Ethereum improvement recommendations into the Ethereum Shanghai redesign. Ethereum Shanghai fork overhaul is set to present a lot of basic updates and changes to Ethereum and the blockchain's EVM functionalities. Preceding the genuine delivery, the Ethereum establishment delivered a pre-Shanghai testnet on 14 October 2022. The testnet is known as Shandong, which will be utilized to test and settle the Ethereum improvement that are supposed to be carried out in the genuine Shanghai update during the delivery. In the event that ETH finds consistent ascent in dealers and financial backers, we can expect Ethereum cost forecast 2023 to start on a bullish note, which could drive in additional unions, selections, and financial backers. Wherefore, the cost of ETH could end the exchange for 2023 at $1,866.79. Be that as it may, on a negative note, the altcoin could end its exchange for the year at $1,522.72. All things considered, obliged by straight force, the typical cost could find its base at $1,674.91. Ethereum, ETH, value forecast 2024. ETH is reliant upon POS, which is gotten by many diggers and data set. Ethereum changed to a proof-of-stake system in 2022 in light of the fact that it was more protected and gotten, though Solana depends on POW, which includes a specific number of consecutive computational advances that conclude the delay between two occasions and give the exchanges a period slip by. With the Solana network safer, quicker and less expensive when contrasted with Ethereum, Solana cost can possibly surpass Ethereum before very long as more number of individuals have begun to embrace this over ETH. The developing conspicuousness of Ethereum could welcome worldwide acknowledgement and carry out of ETFs and spot ETFs. This could invite a more extensive crowd who could push the cost to more noteworthy levels, emerging which, this altcoin's cost could head towards its expected high of $2,939.04 toward the finish of 2024. Then again, on the off chance that the substantiates run the bulls, the cost could rut to at least $2,411.36. Progressively, a harmony in trading tensions could land the cost at $2,595.99. Ethereum Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the Ethereum environment centers around helping its endeavors focus on new activities, advancements, and associations to improve the organization, with fresher updates connected with Ethereum 2.0 like leaving the POW. Also, assuming versatility is sufficient and ETH 2.0 becomes easy to use throughout the long term, ETH cost is expected to hit its limit of $4,616.77. Nonetheless, in the event of a potential accident because of any potential guidelines, vulnerability might cause the altcoin to tumble to $3,796.66. All things considered, taking into account the bullish and negative focuses on the normal cost could settle at $3,966.59. Ethereum Value Expectation 2026. As per our investigators, Ethereum's cost for the year 2026 could go between $5,566.77 to $6,610.75, and the typical cost of ETH could be around $5,713.12. ETH Value Expectation 2027. As per our examiners, ETH cost for the year 2027 could go between $6,800.10 to $8,705.44, and the typical cost of Ethereum could be around $7,246.74. Ethereum Value Gauge 2028. As indicated by our examiners, Ethereum cost for the year 2028 could run between $12,613.01 to $16,410.87, and the typical cost of ETH could be around $14,482.48. ETH Value Estimate 2029. As indicated by our investigators, ETH's cost for the year 2029 could run between $16,192 to $21,994.32, and the typical cost of Ethereum could be around $19,010.77. Ethereum Value Expectation 2030. As per our experts, Ethereum's cost for the year 2030 could go between $20,647.23 to $26,575.21, and the typical cost of ETH could be around $23,563.01. Ethereum Value Forecast. Factors like effective change to pose and developing effort could lean stars for the convention, with a lift to the wistful conviction of financial backers and brokers. The value forecast of ETH could move to $1,866.79 toward the finish of 2023. On the disadvantage, expanding FUD among financial backers and absence of updates could control the cost to bottoms at $1,522.72. This gives the typical Ethereum exchange cost of around $1,674.91 for the year 2023. Verifiable Ethereum Value Opinions 2016-2022. ETH started ascending in January and arrived at a cost top at $15 in WAC 2016. For Ethereum, 2017 was a bullish year as in the initial 2 months.